Alright folks, new project today, a little different. I picked up a gas RC, hasn't been running in a few years. Let me whip this baby off. A little dirty. It's a Losi. Losi 8 2.0 nitro engine. Yeah, it's looks like it hasn't been used very much. The tires are really good still. This here's got a couple little scratches on it, nothing major. The back wing is still good. It's in really good shape. The plastic's all good. I'll show you before and after. You can see how dusty it is, but I'll get her all cleaned up. Get some batteries for the bump box. I'll see how that works. The RC, the antenna is broken. I hope I can reattach that somehow. We'll see how well it works. Some batteries and some glow plugs. Now, motor seized. It's not turning. So, first thing we're going to do is fill that up with a little bit of WD-40, maybe some fuel, some liquid, and see if I can get the motor to turn free. So, even underneath, it's only been used lightly. Like, that should be all scraped all pretty bad. It's only got a few scrapes. So he's probably only running maybe 2 or 3 tanks in this. I bet you not even. That's why it's seized up. It's nice and tight still. So, like I said, spark plugs, the glow plug's already out of it. I already looked down. Piston's still there. It's still in good shape. So we'll throw some WD-40, some fuel, something like that, some liquid, get it wet, and see if we can get it to spin. That'll be in the next video. See if that runs as good as that. This also has, I noticed, which I was pretty surprised, that's telemetry. So that's to tell me the temperature of the motor. So I'm really excited to get this thing lit up and see what all's on that telemetry, because I'm pretty sure it is set up similar to this with the temp, the speed, the RPM, everything on that. That also has a 2-speed, I was told. So that'll be interesting. So if you want to see the sucker get ripped around, follow along, hit the like, subscribe, leave me a comment if you got any tips or tricks. Get her all cleaned up and see how it works. Maybe order up a new air filter on it. Yeah, folks. So I'll keep you updated. Cheers, have a good day.